Your phone doesn't have to be loud to be distracting, even without sound. Constant notifications from social media and games can pull your attention away when you're trying to study, work, or unwind. Aside from Do Not Disturb, your Xiaomi Redmi A5 also comes with a built-in focus mode that quietly pauses distracting apps and hides their notifications so you can stay on task. Here's how to turn focus mode on or off on Android 15. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Find Focus in the list and tap it. Under Select Distracting Apps, tap Show All Apps to see everything installed on your phone. Now tap the checkboxes next to the apps you want to block notifications from while focus mode is active. Once you've selected the apps, tap Turn On Now at the top to activate focus immediately. You will see a pop-up message saying the selected apps are paused. If you only want a short break, tap Take a Break and choose how long you want focus mode paused before it turns back on. Focus mode will resume automatically after the specified time duration. Otherwise, tap Resume Now. To automate focus mode, tap Set a Schedule. Choose your start time, end time, and the days you want it to run. When finished, tap Set to save your schedule. Focus mode will now activate automatically and silence notifications from the selected apps during those times. Whenever you want notifications back for these apps, return to the Focus menu and tap Turn Off Now. It's a simple way to stay focused without uninstalling apps or switching your phone off. And that's it. If this helps you take control of distractions on your Redmi A5, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more smart features. Thanks for watching.